Hello, good evening, guys. Here I am today. I am Ron Kalunsag once again, and I am from the Philippine State College of Aeronautics, Villamor Air Base Campus. My task here today is to create no, a PHP code that will follow a series of instructions based on the scene that is presented to us. No, so our task is to perform the task that is given to us um, with the guidance of the scenes na given. Okay, so once again, good morning. So first, let me introduce second. Let me introduce to you what is PHP. No, so simply PHP is an uh, PHP means hypertext preprocessor po. So it is a server-side scripting language na designed primarily for web development, no? But it can also be used as a general purpose programming language, no? So it is used to create dynamic web pages that can interact um, with databases, manage user sessions, and process forms, ganon. So, um, key characteristics niya. So, let's say server side. Yan, server side ang PHP, no? So, it runs on the server, not the user's browser. Yan. Then, open source din siya since free to use and modify. And then, embedded siya sa HTML. So, embedded in HTML na you can mix kasi PHP code with HTML code, no? So, and lastly, works on databases talaga siya. So, kadalasan siyang ginagamit sa SQL. Yan, sa SQL and sa MariaDB. Yan. I mentioned it on my first video which was about the SAMP, no? Okay. So, okay, let's start, no? So, first is let us open our code editor. So today we'll be using our Notepad++. Okay, one, two, three, one, two, three. Boom. Okay, so today we're gonna be using our Notepad++. And so for me kasi, although you can you can use other code editor like Visual Studio, ganon. Yan. So, but we're gonna be using lang muna, Notepad++, since it's the most convenient one, maybe for me lang. Okay? So, based on the instruction given earlier sa atin, which was, no, uh, ang scene 3 natin is, scene 3 natin is, um, yun, na-open natin, and scene 4 is saving the file. So, gagawa muna tayo ng, isi-save muna natin yung uh, draft natin na code, no? So, okay. So, paano natin siya isi-save? Okay, by clicking this one, just by clicking this one, yung file natin, pwede mo na siyang save. Ayan. When you click this, sorry, ayan. When you click this one, where was my notepad? Yan, sorry. When you click this one, pwede mo siyang i-save. So, i-save natin siya sa pangalang index. Yan. Save as index.php. Yan. So, isi-save pala natin siya sa sarili nating folder. So, which is dun sa mismong folder ng SAMP natin. So, hanapin nyo lang yung file nun na yun, yung pinag-downloadan nyo ng SAMP, locate nyo, hanapin yung htdocs, Sa loob ng htdocs, gumawa kayo ng folder, which is ito yung ginawa ko. Pinangalan ko sa apelyado ko. And then, now we're gonna be pasting here our file. So, we're gonna be papangalanan natin siya na index .php. Index.php. Ayan. Then, pipili natin siya. Of course, it is a hypertext preprocessor file. And save. Okay, so nakasave na. Makikita natin dito na ayan yung directions niya, yung pathway niya ng file natin. So, yung index.php natin, magko-code na tayo ngayon, which is add. Oo. Dito natin ilalagay yung code natin. Okay? Then, next naman is yung scene number 5 natin. Ang scene number 5 natin is, ayun, to run the sump. So, yung sump natin, i-run natin. Ayan. And then, okay, i-open natin si sump. Ayan. Makikita nyo naman si sump, diba? So, up here, si sump, atin siyang, ang task na, ang binigay sa atin na scenery is, run ang sump and run the Apache and MySQL. So, since naka-auto-start ang Apache, start natin yung SQL. Ayan. So, accomplish na natin yung scene number 5, no? So, scene number 6 natin is run the file in the browser. Okay? So, yung draft natin na code kanina, kasi may given naman na code sa atin. Okay? Okay po. Notepad++ tayo. Okay? So, yan. Yan. So, balik tayo sa Notepad++. Yan. Okay. Boom. So, balik tayo sa Notepad++ natin. At input natin dito yung code natin. Okay? So, ito yung code natin na draft. Ayan. So, isi-save lang natin siya. Pag na-save natin siya, for example, like that, name ng aming program head, no? Si Sir Aaron. Then, with the course, no? Sample, BSIT-AIT, and then the school, Philippine State College of Aeronautics. So, save natin siya. Katapos mag-save, can disregard it, and then proceed tayo sa next step, which is, ayun, ang next step natin is, scene number 7 is ang output. So, iraran natin yung, sa scene number 6, iraran natin yun sa browser. So, using our browser, pwede natin siyang i-run. Okay? So, ang pag-run yan, wait, yan. May adjust first the, para makita ng lahat. Okay? Yan. So, para makita ng lahat, kung paano natin iraran yung code, I will be putting it and okay. So, once na-run natin siya, no? Um, once na natapos na pala natin ma-save and ma-input yung code, no? Um, ilalagay natin dito yung ating uh, the pathway ng ating mismong file, which is na localhost first, no? Yan, type natin dito. Localhost slash yung folder natin sa loob ng htdocs, no? So, inapelyido ko yon since, ayan, sa apelyido ko, kalunsag slash the name of my file itself, no? Which is index.php, and then you run. Yan. So, nag-reflect yung expected na outcome natin, which is, ayun nga, sa ating code earlier, if makikita natin, wait, um, too large yung ating code kanina, no? The expected natin na tawag dito, outcome, is the name itself, yung kinode natin. And ayan naman yung nag-reflect, di ba? Na if maalala nyo, so, last task natin, or yung last natin na output, and then, ayun, yung last natin is yung summary na. So, yung summary natin, no? First is, diniscuss natin kung ano yung instruction mismo ng ating activity. Next is, diniscuss natin what is PHP, no? So, to reiterate it, so PHP po means Hypertext Preprocessor, or ayan yung recursive acronym niya, no? So, in simple words, PHP is what makes a website do things like welcome you message when you log in, ayan yon. Save your message in a comment box, ayan din yon, no? So, next is using the code editor like Notepad++. So, yun yung ginamit natin kanina. Nag-Notepad++ tayo. And then, we save the file, no? We save it in sa pathway or sa mismong folder na kung saan tayo nag-download ng ating SAMP application. And then, mismong doon, loob, hanapin natin yung htdocs. And doon sa loob ng htdocs is ilagay natin doon, gumawa tayo ng bagong folder na kung saan doon natin ilalagay sa folder na yun yung gagawin nating code. Okay? So, ayun, scene 5 is niran natin sa SAMP, no? We turned on the the Apache and the SQL earlier, no? And we click the start. Yan. Then next is we run the file in the browser. So type natin, no, localhost. Yan. After ng localhost slash the folder name. Yun, yung apelyido ko, yung ginamit ko. Then next is yung file name itself, no? Which is index.php. So, and then the output naman, yan, yung output natin is, ayun, yung sample natin na code, which is the name of our program, ng program coordinator namin na si Sir Aaron. So, I guess that's all, no? So, I hope na somehow may natutunan kayo sa akin, and my voice is rough na to po talaga, and I'm not very good in this, but I did my best. And that's all. Happy coding to all. Stay safe. Bye-bye.